Are you looking for the best camping griddles of 2022? In this video we will look at some of the best camping griddles of 2022 on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description, so make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Starting at number 1. Camp Chef Professional Fry Griddle. Camp Chef Professional Fry Griddle, the best portable camping griddle, has a large cooking surface to accommodate everything from full breakfast menus to big dinners. Whether you are cooking for 2 or 10, the sizable griddle will keep everyone fed. Despite all of the available cooking real estate, it fits perfectly on one of Camp Chef's 2-burner camp stoves or similarly sized models. The heavy-duty steel construction with heat diffuser plates makes the perfect surface to fry foods. The diffuser plates ensure even heating, so there will be no cold spots. The seasoned griddle is non-stick and easy to maintain and clean. Safety and maintenance features include high sides, built-in grease drain, grease cup, and handle. The built-in grease drain and grease collection cup make one of frying's most difficult chores easy, so you can crank out the bacon without worrying about flare-ups. The high sides also prevent food from sliding off the griddle and offer a backstop to wrangle uncooperative flapjacks. Though hefty, a forward carry handle makes it easy to transport and set on a stove. There is no way to wear out this griddle, and it will last a lifetime. At number 2. Royal Gourmet PD1301S. The Royal Gourmet Portable 24-inch 3-burner tabletop gas grill griddle is a portable, easy-to-use, all-in-one heat source and the best camping propane griddle. The traditional steel grill has a large, 316 square-inch cooking area that tackles most camping, tailgating, or backyard cookout tasks. With 25,500 BTUs, the unit heats up quickly, and the steel griddle holds and distributes it for even cooking temperatures. 3 independent burners with their own adjustment knobs make fine-tuning the output a breeze, so you can maintain temperatures even when loaded with different foods. The burner uses a 20-pound propane tank to provide fuel, so you can cook all weekend without swapping cylinders. Lighting is also simple, with a piezoelectric igniter. The cooktop features raised sides and back to corral food and a lip all the way around to contain grease. A porcelain enameled finish keeps food from sticking and wipes clean with ease. The griddle has a removable, slide-out grease cup to collect oil residue while cooking. The top is detachable, which also simplifies cleanup. Stop manhandling those heavy, bulky backyard griddles and show off this new Grill Master Royal Gourmet registered PD1301S 3-burner portable gas grill griddle for your family outings. This griddle has 3 round, stainless steel burners, which provide a total of 25,500 BTUs output. It comes equipped with a porcelain enameled griddle top that offers 316 square inches of cooking area. Large space is perfect for frying rice, eggs, hash browns, French toast, bacon and hamburgers. Durable control panel with piezo ignition system enables quick startup, making barbecue easier than ever before. Large oil cup collects grease residue for easy cleanup after use. The portable design provides much convenience for picnics, tailgate party, camping, or night's barbecue on the patio. In addition, we offer a specially designed grill cover featured with an extra thick PVC coating that is waterproof. At number 3. Coghlan's 2-burner non-stick camp griddle. Coghlan's 2-burner non-stick camp griddle is sized perfectly to fit most folding 2-burner camp stoves. Though it's not the largest on our list, 16.5 by 10 inches of non-stick cooking space give you plenty of room for eggs and bacon. The aluminum construction makes it the best camping stove griddle and one of the lightest griddles on the market at only 1.8 pounds. So don't think twice about throwing this one in the chuck box when camping with the family or heading up to deer camp. This coated aluminum griddle is the perfect starter griddle for anyone that has never used one. The non-stick coating is easy to clean and maintain and reduces the need to use fats or oils when cooking. Raised edges keep splatter and spill to a minimum, but the lack of a drain means you'll have to pace yourself when cooking bacon or other fatty foods. Side handles make the griddle easy to place and move, even when hot. At number 4. Bruntmor Preseason Cast Iron Reversible Grill/Griddle Pan. Good camping cookware is versatile, with the ability to accomplish many tasks. Smooth on one side with raised grill bars on the other, the Bruntmor preseason cast iron reversible grill/griddle can make golden brown pancakes or perfectly seared steaks simply by flipping it over. Adding to the versatility, you can use this on camp stoves or burners at home. With a temperature rating of 500 degrees Fahrenheit, it can even go into an oven. You can even consider the Bruntmor cast iron grill/griddle fire pit ready for cooking on direct flame. The cast iron heats quickly and distributes evenly for consistent cooking, breakfast, lunch, or dinner. Both sides of the grill/griddle are pre-seasoned for non-stick cooking and easy cleaning and maintenance. The smooth surface is ready for bacon, eggs, or pancakes right out of the box with its non-stick nature. The bars leave deep sear marks in steak and other proteins to look like you had a barbecue along. Built-in side handles make it easy to move and set up, which is why it's the best camping grill-griddle combo. At number 5. Blackstone 28-inch outdoor flat-top gas grill griddle station. You can provide restaurant-quality food with the Blackstone 28-inch outdoor flat-top gas grill griddle station. As the best camping griddle with a stand, this giant griddle provides an amazing 470 square inches of cooking surface, so you can prepare anything from scrambled eggs to teppanyaki-style dishes out in the backcountry. Two independently controlled 15,000 BTU stainless steel burners make a total of 30,000 BTUs for controlled cooking options on one surface. The combination of the thick, cold-rolled steel cooktop and H-shaped burners provides even heat from edge to edge. The griddle and grease management design ensures the post-meal cleanup is simple and easy. A connection for a standard 20-pound propane tank will keep the griddle cooking on the longest trips, and electronic ignition means it's a snap to light. The griddle station has a bottom shelf and two side shelves for food storage and prep, which is a welcome addition in the woods or at a tailgate. This Blackstone grill will stand up to the elements with a powder-coated black steel frame and stainless steel burners. Though it's not lightweight at 75 pounds, fold-up legs and 4 industrial-strength caster wheels make it easy to transport from your backyard to the campsite.